Every clownfish is born male, and everyone can change sex whenever it needs to. One fish, one anemone, a partnership 10 million years in the making.
Those tentacles kill on contact. The clownfish, completely immune. The male guards and fans the eggs for 6 days without sleeping. If the female dies, the male becomes female within days. No exceptions.
This tiny fish keeps the anemone clean. The anemone guards the fish. Neither survives alone.
Tonight, like every night, they sleep tangled together. Follow for more ocean secrets hiding in plain sight.